A joker's cap is in the form of a right circular cone whose radius is 7 centimeters and height is 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Okay, so we have a joker's cap which is in the form of right circular cone. Let us draw a cone first. Alright, this is our cone. We have a joker's cap which is in this shape. And what are the dimensions given? Radius is 7. So this radius is equal to how much? It is 7 centimeters. And what is the height given? 24. So this height is 24 centimeters. Okay. So h is equal to 24 and r is equal to 7 centimeters. Okay. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. See here. Do we need to find CSA, curved surface area, or total surface area here? See, this is joker's cap, right? So joker's cap will not have this base. Okay, it will have only this portion, isn't it? So we will not have the base, isn't it? So what do we need to find here? We need to find curved surface area, not total surface area. So curved surface area of cone, we know that it is equal to pi RL. Okay. Alright. So curved surface area of one cap is equal to pi RL. Okay. Now we need to find the value of L. How should we find the value of L? See, here h is equal to 24, r is equal to 7, isn't it? So this L is slant height. So let me draw a small triangle here. This will be h, this will be r, this will be L. It will be a right angle triangle, isn't it? So how should we find the value of L? L square will be equal to h square plus r square. So L square goes on the other side, becomes under root of h square plus r square. Alright, so L will be equal to, what is h given? Height is 24. So 24 square plus r is 7. So this is 7 square. 576 plus 49. This will give us 625. Okay. So L is equal to how much? 25. Root 625 is 25, right? So we got the slant height 25. So let us substitute that in pi RL. Curved surface area of one cap or one cone is pi RL. Pi is 22 by 7. What is the radius? 7. L we got it as 25. 25, right? Okay. Now this 7 and this 7 will get cancelled, isn't it? So we have 22 into 25. So 22 into 25 will give us 550. Alright. So this is centimeter square. Why is it centimeter square? Because R is in centimeters and L is also in centimeters. Centimeter. We are multiplying this. So we got centimeter square. Remember area. This is area, right? Curved surface area. Area will always be in centimeter square. I mean in square units. Okay. So curved surface area of one cap is 550 centimeter square. Which means what? If we are to prepare or if we want to make one cap, how much paper is required? 550 centimeters square, that much paper is required. But how many caps do we need to make? 10 such caps. So what will be the area of the paper? How much amount of paper do we need? Tell me. It will be 550 into 10. Right? CSA of one cap is 550. So curved surface area of 10 such caps will be equal to 550 into 10. Alright. So 5500 centimeters square. This much paper is needed to make 10 joker caps. Alright.